ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi A bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol hakini ke number harum.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college Plie nursing ka babhatam na kabenta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala Plie ya ka admission minta.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla upepek ye ketana Soil and Water Conservation Marcuise and Marak Plie patba ye bid office Jong Soil and Water Conservation ka bahap hapo Kalaskin CNRD Block West Genti Hills District. Hakan resmi dan langru MLA kata nuba Nujorki Sungo ke Director Soil and Water Conservation Department kong iba Shisha Renja u Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer Juwai Territorial Division ba Taiwan O War. Ya ke jaga ke behe khandrio jar South Plie House square feet la isngom bha de Kalashkin dor bashnong na ke benta bente ke soil bid house.
This office represents not just a building but a promise, a testament to enduring spirit of community collaboration and the commitment of our government to serve the people of our state. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Laskin village Dorba for their generous donation of this land. Their vision and selfless act have paved the way for facility that will greatly benefit 47 surrounding villages. This centrally located plot spanning 106,430 square feet stands as a beacon of hope and progress for many. This establishment of Laskin Bid Office addresses a pressing need. Previously, the residents of these 47 villages had to travel a long distances to ranch office in Shampung village. This journey was not just inconvenient but also posed significant challenges, especially for those with limited financial resources and time. Today, we are taking a significant step towards alleviating these difficulties and bringing essential services closer to the people. Multiple critical functions. It will act as a hub for information dissemination and the implementation of developmental schemes by the Department of Soil and Water Conservation. The accessibility of this office will ensure that people can readily benefit from the department's initiatives aimed at enhancing agriculture productivity, conserving natural resources, and improving overall community well-being. The Laskin Bid Office will also play a pivotal role in environmental stewardship. By promoting and implementing conservation practices, the office will help preserve our natural resources for future generations. This is particularly important in a time when climate change and environmental degradation pose significant threats to our way of life. By establishing this office, we are also honoring the trust and goodwill of the Laskin village Dorbar. Their intention in donating this land was clear: to provide the community with easy access to vital services. Today, we fulfill that intention, and I am confident that this office will become a cornerstone of support and development for entire region. As we inaugurate this office today, let it serve as a reminder of what we can achieve when we work together with a common purpose. Let this be the beginning of many more collaborative efforts aim in improving the lives of our people. May the Laskin Beat Office serve its intended purpose with dedication and integrity. Friends, as has been requested by Honorable MLA Mr. Nuzoki Sumo regarding the building, I would like to mention out here today that I would be directing our DO territorial to propose to send a detailed report or DPR, preparing DPR for the office of this Laskin Beat office to through the Director of Soil and Water Conservation, and I'll make it sure that it happens. And dear friends, I would like to thank, first of all, inform you that Manujorki Sungo was the main person who, because of whom this has happened. He has been aggressively pursuing the, opening of this bid office here in Laskin. He has raised in the assembly sessions also. Then I called him and then I assured him that, say, Manujorki, don't worry, we will sanction it at the earliest. We are trying to consider some other bid offices also, but then this is the first one which got sanctioned and then inaugurating today. So wish you all the best and hope that this will be a beacon of hope and also the center of everything which will cater to the needs of this area.
Kani man ko gawin ka achievement lani ka jing lain ti yung akaw mong ikmat hagabor ko kien yung nga na perchango ni benta wanra i ka roy ka par hapo ka konsulsi yung i ne ha siya to iwa jing em yung ke office man ko ci benta ka jing yarap ko kro ya ki ba nong chong chnong yung ka than yung i hawo pa igin ki por rep chedin bun ni ki nong chong chnong yung i to ki im hagarap ka riang Andai ni daw wa jengai ka office yung gasoy. Kinong chong yung iyo si hablay kamwa so thousand kilometer. Sadok sa juai ni bentaw yo ijingirap. Bat kani kijing jengai yung kanika office ko amita po juai. Ten depan man gi kinong chong yo sway utrot ni daw wa jengai ka thaw bat lada lai ne daw bun jing dot ko mi nagatiga jing percang yang kiulai thok jingirap nagani ka office yung asoy bat kamjuk nong rep ko em yung icheni maki dapan man ko ngaw perkhat ako uya kalam waga government kamu penyo ya kanika bid office hei ni hipo chnong las kani knang man ko jing mentoy go kro nagam ta kinong chnong yung i kani man ko jing ka khu ko kro nang ta kinong chong umaya yung bar ho am ni ga bid office ini sia to dang bun gi mentoy ki wa kinong chong ba kam jol kinong rep uyo ki ya gi la jing rap ki go per leng ba ga jing am yung ni ga office ha jing lain ti yung aka mong mikmat ta perchang le gi tuan ki kam go per Nei mahua em ikam ki nong yalam gyong pi hau pai ba pun job em ki pai ba jing yong ti bar ho em ki jing yong ti ini le ikam ki nong ikmar yong pi le em ki jing siao kia hau kwai hau da man ikam ki nong yalam muyo sa tu upnyoi ya kadak ko wanra i ka roy ka par hapo kni ka than gyong i